Welcome to Exam Sale. In this episode we break down the syllabus for the Checkpoint Certified Security Principles Associate, or CCSPA, so you know exactly what to study and how to allocate your time. This exam is split across 3 domains with clear weightings and preparation expectations. Security management is 40% and focuses on administrative procedures with a medium difficulty level and an estimated learning time of 18 hours, assessed by hands-on and conceptual tasks. Security principles is 30%, labeled easy with about 10 hours of study and assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. Security architecture is 30%, marked hard with an estimated 15 hours and assessed with scenario-based exercises. Knowing these weights helps you prioritize hands-on practice for security management and deep technical study for security architecture while reinforcing core concepts in security principles. The security management domain covers administrative procedures for configuring and managing checkpoint security solutions via Smart Console and accounts for 40% of the exam. You will learn Smart Console interface navigation, management server functionality, administrative roles and session handling, Smart Update for licenses, high availability configuration and API integration for automation. You will also master object and policy administration, creating and managing network objects, structuring policy layers, writing access control rules, using implicit cleanup rules, verifying and installing policies, and optimizing the rule base through hit count analysis. Finally, identity and user access topics include identity awareness components, AD query and agents, captive portal setup, identity-based rules, LDAP integration and browser authentication, all of which are assessed via hands-on and conceptual tasks. The Security Principles domain provides the foundational cybersecurity concepts that represent 30% of the exam and is easier but essential for context. Candidates will study the evolution of the threat landscape, common attack vectors such as malware, phishing and denial of service, the concept of Gen V attacks and the life cycle of zero-day exploits, plus how attacks impact business continuity. You will also cover defense in-depth strategies including layered architecture, segmentation and micro-segmentation, the role of firewalls and endpoint protection, threat prevention and sandboxing technologies, and fundamentals of data loss prevention. Compliance and risk assessment topics complete this domain with risk management frameworks, security auditing, vulnerability life cycle, standards like ISO 27001 and NIST, and security policy governance and reporting. The security architecture domain, also 30% and considered hard, focuses on the technical architecture of checkpoint systems including Gaia OS and traffic inspection mechanisms. You will learn Gaia operating system foundations such as Web UI and clean navigation, role-based administration, network and routing basics, backup and restore procedures, software updates and monitoring system health. Traffic inspection topics explain stateful inspection mechanics, Secure XL and Core XL acceleration, packet flow through the security gateway, kernel and user space processing, NAT behavior, content awareness and encrypted traffic inspection. The domain finishes with checkpoint software blade architecture including the modular blade concept, threat prevention blades like IPS and anti-bot, security gateway and management server interaction, virtual systems overview, CloudGuard integration and logging with Smart Event, assessed through scenario-based exercises. Prioritize study time according to the weights. Spend most hands-on hours on security management, solidify core concepts in security principles, and allocate focused technical study to security architecture. Practice with Smart Console and Gaia, review policy and identity scenarios, and use sample tasks to build confidence for the CCSPA exam.